Minhaj is our mother, so in her lap we do grow. It's like a beacon which we seek light from. Here is place where skills pick up the pace, where winds stay everywhere. It's in our dreams, in our prayer. It's mod institution that gives recognition. Where scholars are taking guidance, they call on wisdom and logical sense. Come in this dream and insight slow. Minhaj is our mother. We do grow.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, when the world is debating human rights, Dr. Qadri is expounding women's, children's, patients, orphans, criminals, and even the animals' rights in the light of Quran and Sunnah. He has proved with unchallengeable evidences that the Islamic idealism can easily replace the capitalism, socialism, communism, fascism, and any other ism in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, our history shows us reality that we never have been compromising to the satanic powers of exploitation. It relates when there was apostasy movement, Hazrat Abu Bakr uprooted it. When there was aggression, Hazrat Umar eradicated it. When there was immorality, Hazrat Usman eliminated it. When there was obscenity, Hazrat Ali exterminated it. When there was total stillness, Allama Iqbal devastated it. And now, if there is any illiteracy, any ignorance, Dr. Tahir al-Qadri will break it. Excellencies, at the end, I like to say, you must have studied Aristotle, Plato, Einstein, Darwin, Karl Marx, Thomas Hobbes, Shakespeare, Lenin, and Stalin. Why not to have a taste of philosophy rendered by Dr. Tahir al-Qadri, which is a masterpiece of the Islamic spirit? I'm sure it will not only enlighten your minds, but also satisfy your instincts, pacify your hearts, and purify your souls. That's all. Thank you.